What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And today we're covering more of the Samsung Galaxy Watch series by discussing how to adjust your quick panel icons on this device. Now, this allows you to access the settings you use the most on your watch to improve your day-to-day efficiency with technology. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So to perform this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with the Galaxy Wearable app installed, and we're using the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So opening the app brings us to the home screen you'll see here in the screen recording. Now we want to make sure that our device is selected, and mine is, but if yours isn't, we can select it by tapping on the three lines on the left side of the display. And that's going to pull up a side menu with all our devices. And then we can select our device. And that's going to close out the side menu and return us back to the home screen. Now, if you're wondering, we don't really need to be using or wearing the watch at the moment to do this tutorial. I just like to keep the watch nearby. That way we can test it out after the tutorial to make sure that everything worked properly. But moving on, we're going to look for the quick panel option. It's going to be towards the bottom of the display here, and we're going to tap on it. And this is going to refresh the page to a quick panel page, which has quite a bit of detailed information here. It looks kind of techy in a sense. So we have our quick panel, which has 3 pages. And on each page, we're going to have what Samsung calls the buttons. These are all the different little circles within the big circle that allows us to perform functions. Basically, I look at these buttons as shortcuts to functionality. So first we can start by reorganizing the buttons by pressing and holding on a single button and dragging it to where we would want it to be. Now, I like the order of things right now, so I'm going to drag my flashlight back to where it was. We can also delete any of these buttons. As you can see, we have a circle with a line through it. We just tap on that, and that's going to remove the button. And then finally, if we look towards the bottom, we're going to have our available buttons. So anything of interest here, we can tap on it, and it will add it to the quick panel. Now, interesting enough, it adds it to the last page on the quick panel. And you can drag these buttons to different pages. So for example, we're going to press and hold on sound mode, and then we are going to wait for it to go here and drop it into place. And once you've made your changes, you want to make sure that you actually tap save on the bottom of the page. And that's going to save the quick panel as it was in here to your smartwatch. But let's jump right back into the quick panel just to refresh here. I really like doing this, running through this, because I get to set up these functionality shortcuts to my liking. I get to put the ones that I use the most on the first page, and that allows me to be more efficient with this technology that I use on a day-to-day basis. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You